Hi, in this video, I am going to explain you how to solve the problem extracting data with regular expression from the course Coursera using Python to access web data week 2. This problem. Okay. Most of are requesting me to suggest the way how to complete this assignment, so I am completing this, and please look it carefully so you can understand, and in case of doubt you can WhatsApp me or mail me so I can clear your doubt, or you can post in the comment section. You can see I have already scored 100% mark in this. So I am again going to solve this and show you the entire process how I am going to solve it and how you can do. I hope you have answered, you know everything, but you don't know how to complete this assignment. The first you do click here and go to tools. You can read here, it is giving in this assignment. You will read through the parts of file, text and number, and you will extract all the number of the file and compute their sum. Means it will give some text, and there is the text is mixture of some number and text words, and you have to extract those all numbers and find its sum. That's the work is. And here this is going to use the third party tools, and this is one of the uh, you can see this is one of the weightage courses, not weightage, let me find the exact term. What is the this is actually, let me find the term. Graded external tools means this is graded assignment. Okay, this is graded assignment, so you without completing this you are not going to get the certificate. So how to do? Just agree it and open the new tools. Up to this I hope you were clear. And here finding the number of hairstyle, the same thing it is given. You have to find the number, and after that you have to click on that. So it is giving two set of data, one the sample and other is the actual data. This is sample, so you can download and you can read and understand. Here is some mixture of there, like sample, like number, like this. Those files are like this, similar to this, and while they are abstracting those numbers like this number, this number, like this, all numbers numerical value they are taking and adding. So it makes like there is 90 values, there are such 90 number are there, and their sum is this much. So they are just giving for your better understanding. And the actual file, our actual file is this. On this we have to write the code and we have to complete. This is 75 values are there, numerical values, and their sum is going to end by 305. Please don't do copy my code exactly, because this is going to different. This data set is going to be different for person to person. In your case it may be 605, 201, like those ending numbers. So you follow the procedure so you can do it, right? So let me, and here you have to, after calculating you have to post the what are the sum you got, you have to give here, and you in code, the Python code you have to give here, and you have to submit it. That is the work. So let me show you what are the file. So this is the entire file for me. From this entire file I have to extract the number, that is how many number is there, you can see 75. Those all I have to abstract. So you go and copy, and you go in any editor, like Sublime editor, any editor you can go and you can work. So I have already gone, and you press Ctrl N for new, and you paste it, and you save the file. So how to save the file? You save the file, Ctrl S, and in desktop you save will be better. So with what name you are going to save? You are going to save with this name. So as I have opened the link, the name is available here up to this. Okay. So I will take this name. Here means you are unable to see where is that. Okay, let me tell you how it is. Control B, okay, and wait please 1 minute. So actually I am not capturing the entire screen, so it is the problem. Okay, so this is the link, okay, and the name is this, up to this. So Control C, copy it, right, and again I go to the subline. Okay, this is my subline, and here I have to shift Control B. So already I have saved as earlier, so I will replace it. Okay. So this is done. Now you write the code, Python code. And this is the code. You write exactly the same way. Import array name input, and this name is exactly what I have copied. Again I will going to paste it. This name may be different in your case, so please do the same process. And here also I have saved this on the same location, desktop. Both file I am saving on the desktop. Now I have to go for command prompt, or in case you don't have the Python, then please you install Python in your system, and then only you can complete this task. So here my file is on desktop. Okay. And what is my file name is here, Python file. So ts.py. So how to run the Python? py Python file, how to write? py ts.py. So this I am going to run this code. So as I have run, again it is asking the name. So same name what I have copied, I am going to paste it and hit the enter. So now you can see my result is this. This is the result. You can see the sum is ending with 305. And in questions also you can see my sum is going to end by 305. So I have exactly meet the answer. So what is my sum is here? So you can select like this, go to up and edit and copy. After that when you go here, okay, oh something it is okay, go here, go up, let me make it little bit up, and here sum you have to paste it now, and here you have to paste the code, this code, okay, and go here and paste this code, and now it is done here, and here you have to go again here, no here, sorry, in this tool, done, our task is done. So we have to submit the assignment now. So you can see your answer is correct, score saved, your current grade on the assignment is 100%, and finally you hit the done button. And now come to here and you refresh, you can find graded extended tools assignment is ticked. So it is done. So thank you very much for watching this, and still if you have any problem and encountered with any issue, then please comment on the video or contact me. I will definitely help you. So thanks again and have a good time.